Hey, what's up guys? This is Dave from Crux Motorsports Coffee Repair. Not our normal video. However, two videos that I watched on this were absolutely horrible. So I'm going to show you the quickest way to do this. If you're looking to take apart your Keurig K-Series, I think I'm going to link it to tell you what it is because I don't really know. First, obviously unplug it so you don't shock yourself, but pull these little feet out of the bottom. Those two rubber guys. There's going to be two screws here and one screw here. It is a number 2. And the back is also number 2, but it is hard to get the number 2 tip in there. So I'm using a number 1. Don't lose those screws. They might pop out. So once you got those loosened, you could go to the top. You take a little screwdriver, work it in this gap. Pop that guy off. Slide this side panel. Get that out of the way. We're going to start to work this. I think the screw's still in there. Whoops. It's going to sound like you're breaking it, but you're not. You might break it. The clips aren't the best, but they do pop out. So once you get all those unclipped, you can sort of open that up and separate it, and there you have it. That's just the inside, quickest way to get it apart. If you have any questions, you could ask. I probably won't have the answer on this one, but it's worth a shot. Thanks for watching.